Imagine you're standing at a crossroads with many different paths to choose from. One path looks a bit risky, but it could lead to great rewards. The path is called option trading. You may have heard stories of people making big money in stock market. But the reality is, for every success, there are also plenty of failures. So, what makes the difference? How can you become successful in this world of high stakes? Today, we are going to break it down step by step and show you how to make smart, calculated moves in the world of option trading. But don't worry, this is not a get a rich quick guide. It's about building a solid foundation, learning from real examples, and taking the right steps towards success. 1. Understanding the basics of options. Before diving into strategies, let's start with the basics. Options are like contracts, where you agree to buy or sell a stock at a specific price, but only within a set time. You don't own the stock, but you are making a bet on whether the stock's price will go up or down. There are two types of options. 1. Call options, the right to buy at a set price. 2. Put options, the right to sell at a set price. You are eyeing a stock, Apple. Right now it's at $150. You buy a call option for $10 that allows you to buy Apple at $160 in the next month. If Apple goes above $160, you can make a profit. If it doesn't, you lose the $10 you paid for the option. But here is the thing, knowledge is power. You need to understand not just the contracts but the market itself. So, how do you start? 2. The importance of education and research. Imagine you were about to drive a car but had no idea how the engine works. You wouldn't feel confident, right? Option trading is no different. Before putting your money on the line, you need to educate yourself. This is where many traders go wrong. They rush in without understanding the risks. Take the story of John, a beginner who decided to trade options. He heard about it on the podcast, watched a couple of YouTube videos, and jumped straight into buying call options on a popular tech stock. But without research, he didn't realize that the stock had already hit a high point and it was about to drop. He lost money. The lesson here, research, research, research. Know the market, understand stock patterns, and read up on the basic terms. Use resources like books, online courses, and even demo accounts before risking real money. 3. Managing risk with smart strategies. Now let's talk about strategy. Think of option trading like a chess game. Every move you make has consequences. This means you need to have a strategy in place. The key to success, risk management. You can't just go all in and hope for the best. Let's say you are thinking of buying a call option for Tesla, which costs $5 per share. Instead of buying 100 options, you might decide to buy just 10. This limits your loss if things go wrong. Another example, using stop loss orders. Imagine you bought an option but the stock price drops quickly. A stop loss order automatically sells your option when it hits a set price, minimizing your losses. Think of it as putting on a seatbelt in a car. You might still experience bumps, but you will be safer. 4. Staying calm and managing emotions. Here is something people often overlook, emotions. Option trading can be like a roller coaster. One moment you are up, the next you are down. The key to success, stay calm and stick to your plan. Take Sarah's story. She was new to options and made a decent profit on her first trade. The next day, she got greedy and invested all her profits into a risky option. When the stock started falling, she panicked, sold her positions too early, and lost her money. Patience is crucial. Remember, you are playing the long game instead of reacting impulsively to every market moment. Develop the mindset of a strategist. This means trusting your research, sticking to your plan, not letting emotions control your trades. 5. Consistency and learning from mistakes. The final piece of puzzle is consistency. Becoming successful in option trading doesn't happen overnight. It's about consistent learning, analyzing past trades, and improving your strategy. Take the story of Alex, who had a string of losses in the beginning. Instead of giving up, he started keeping a trading journal. He noted down every decision he made, what worked and what didn't. Over time, Alex became better at spotting trends and sticking to his strategy. He didn't let his losses define him. He used them as lessons. So, always look back at your trades and learn from them. Success doesn't happen by luck, it happens by consistently applying the right knowledge and strategies, learning from mistakes and improving every day. Becoming successful in option trading is not about making quick, risky bets. It's about education, strategy, risk management, and learning from every experience. Just like any skill, it takes time, practice, and patience. Now, take the first step. Educate yourself, research, start with small, calculate in most, don't rush. Learn from both your wins and losses. With time, you will improve, and one day you might be the person telling your story of success in option trading. Thanks for watching. Remember, the market is always changing, but your strategy and mindset can stay strong, stay focused, keep learning, and happy trading.